Good morning, everyone. This is the Q&A session 18 from the playlist of electric charges and fields. And today I have taken one question in which we are supposed to find the resultant dipole moment of the two identical electric dipoles which are kept at an angle of 120 degrees as shown in this figure. So here we have got two identical electric dipoles AB and CD which are kept at an angle of 120 degree as shown in this figure. So we have to find the magnitude and the direction of the resultant dipole moment. So here the dipole moment of the dipoles, that is AB and CD, is P, and now they are kept at an angle of 120 degree as shown in this figure. So now the first important point which we have to remember is that the direction of the dipole moment is always from the negative charge towards the positive charge. So the direction of the dipole moment for this dipole CD will be as shown by this arrow, and the direction of the dipole moment of this dipole AB will be as shown by this arrow. That is, it will be along the positive y-axis like this. So this is the direction of the this dipole moment of the dipole AB. So here now we will be using the concept of the parallelogram law of vector addition. So as per the parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant of these two dipoles will be given by the value, you can say the square of the dipole moment P of this dipole AB plus the square of the dipole moment of this dipole CD plus 2 times the dipole moment of this AB into the dipole moment of CD cos 120 degree. So using the parallelogram law of vector addition, the resultant dipole moment of these two dipoles can be found by this equation. Now, as you all know that, first of all, that the direction of the dipole moment is from the this negative charge towards the positive charge, and second thing is that the dipole moment is a vector quantity. And so since this was a vector quantity, so therefore I have used this parallelogram law of vector addition in order to find the resultant dipole moment. So with this formula, with the help of this formula, we are getting this the magnitude of the resultant dipole as this is equal to p square plus p square. This will be equal to 2p square, and the value of cos 120 will be equal to minus 1 by 2. So this will be equal to minus, yes, it is 2 into p square into 1 by 2. So this is equal to, this 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. So finally I will be getting as root p square, and which will be equal to p. So the magnitude of this resultant dipole moment will also be equal to p. Now here the next important thing is that we have to find the direction of the resultant dipole moment. So this is one vector. Dipole moment is a vector quantity. So one of the vector is aligned along this positive y-axis, and the other vector is aligned along this direction as shown by this arrow. The magnitude of both these two vectors is p. So since the magnitude of both these two vectors are equal, therefore the resultant will be bisecting this angle of 120 degrees. So the resultant dipole, the direction of the resultant dipole moment will be like this. It will be pointing in this direction, and it will be bisecting this angle AOD And so if it is bisecting this angle AOD, so what will this angle which I am making it here, this will be equal to 60 degree, and this angle will also be equal to 60 degree. So if I want to mention the direction of the resultant dipole moment, so I can say that the direction of this resultant dipole moment will be making an angle of 30 degree with the positive x-axis as shown in this figure. This angle, this angle, since this angle is 60 degree, that is this one, as I have indicated here. So this angle is 60 degree, that is this resultant is making an angle of 60 degree with this y-axis. So this resultant this resultant dipole moment is making an angle of 30 degree with the positive x-axis as shown in this figure. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be again coming up with a different type of problem from the same playlist, that is electric charges and fields. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.